Welcome back. Now it's time to review what you will be learning and doing each week. I recommend that for this review you open your syllabus and go to the page when you have the class schedule. So on week 1, we are taking care of getting to know each other and to review the course schedule and expectations. As you can see on the syllabus, in terms of assignments, this week you will have to post on 2 different discussions in the discussion boards, and you will have to read chapter 1 of the textbook, plus a document titled Human Resources Impact on Corporate Culture. And you will also have to complete quiz number 1 on Blackboard. On week 2, we will talk about the different roles within human resources, the human resources strategy and planning. We will engage through one discussion on the discussion board, and you will read chapter 2 and then complete quiz number 2. And you will also complete assignment number 1, which will be a SWOT analysis. On week 3, the topic will be equal employment and discrimination, and you will have one discussion on the discussion board. You will read chapter 3 of the textbook and also complete quiz number 3. On week 4, we will transition into workforce, jobs and retention, and on this week, we will have one discussion on the discussion board. You will read chapter 4, complete quiz number 4, and also you will complete your second assignment, which will be a turnover calculation. Then moving on to week number 5, we will talk about staffing, recruiting, and selection. And once again, you will have one discussion on the discussion board. Plus, you will take the time to review chapters 1 to 4 in order to prepare for your midterm exam, which will be happening on week 6, and which will be an online exam on Blackboard, to evaluate what you have learned at that point. Also on week 6, you will read chapter 5 and complete quiz number 5. Then on week 7, we will cover training, talent management, and career development. We will have one discussion on the discussion board, and you will read chapter 6 and complete quiz number 6. And also, you will complete your assignment number 3, which will be a group assignment. On week 8, we will learn about performance management and appraisals. We will have one discussion on the discussion boards, and you will need to read now 2 chapters of the textbook, which will be chapters 7 and 8, and you will also complete quiz number 7. In addition, you will complete your assignment number 4. On week 9, we will talk about total rewards and compensation, and also variable pay, executive compensation and benefits, and we will have 2 discussions on the discussion boards for that week. And you will be responsible as well to read the last 2 chapters of your textbook, which will be chapters 9 and 10, and then you will complete quiz number 8. On week 10, the topic will be risk management, work protection, and employee relations. And also, we will talk about unions, including management relations and grievances. You will also participate in the final discussion boards, the last 2, and you will be responsible to study chapters 5 to 10 in preparation to the final exam, which will be happening on week 11. And that will be our last week together. On that week, that's the only assignment that you will have. So, as you can see, human resources is much more than parties and hiring and firing people. Human resources today should sit at the table and be a business partner who understands the business and has a strategic mindset and approach to make an impact on company culture and the company's objectives. At the end of this course, letter grades will be assigned according to the following grade scale, which you can see on the screen. So if you are able to accumulate 155 points or more, you can guarantee an A. Anything between 140 and 154 will give you a B, and so on, based on what you can see on the screen. Lowest letter grade will be an F if you accomplish at the end 99 points or less, which I am very optimistic that won't be the case of any of you taking this course. Now, how can you maximize your chances to get an A? Well, here is as well on the screen the assignments breakdown and how many points you can get for each of them. As you can see, we will have weekly discussion boards, which was mentioned before, and it will be a total of 12. Each of them is worth 5 points, which will give you a total of potentially 60 points. Then you will have to complete 8 online quizzes. Each of them will be worth 5 points as well, which will give you a total of potentially 40 points. Then there will be 4 additional assignments. Each of them is worth 5 points as well. You can potentially earn there 20 points. Your midterm exam is going to be worth 25 points, and your final exam is worth 25 points as well. That equals a total of 170 points. And remember that you have the opportunity to earn 10 more points through the extra credit assignment. If you want to learn more details about it, please refer to the extra credit assignment linked on Blackboard, where you can find all the details about it. I am here to partner with you, and my goal is that you learn something from this course and you find value on the time and money that you are investing here. Every class, we will have videos for you to watch. Please don't complete any of the assignments before watching the corresponding videos, as all the communication with the details that you need to know to complete such assignments will be deployed through those videos. It is important that you meet your deadlines as well to be eligible for full credit in all quizzes, exams, discussion boards, and any assignment that is part of this class. Missing deadlines may result on losing points or not being eligible for any. The key source of engagement that we will have in this virtual environment will be the discussion boards. Students are expected to actively participate in discussion boards and answer each discussion question and topic every week. The first initial post for each discussion board will need to be posted on day 3 or by day 3, which will be technically every Wednesday. And additional comments or posts to each topic will have to be posted by the end of the week. Remember, you are required to post at least 3 times on each discussion board. If you have any questions, please reach out or check additional details in the syllabus. There will be an assignment as well for extra credit, which is worth potentially up to 10 points, and that will require for you to upload a video presenting an HR topic or article. You can review all the details about this non-required but highly recommended assignment on the link on Blackboard, which is titled Extra Credit Assignment. The most effective way to contact me will be via email. You can see my email on the screen, and you can expect that I will respond to any inquiries within 48 hours. Now, please, if you haven't, take a few minutes to review in detail the syllabus. And when you are done, come back and watch video 3 for week 1. See you in a moment.